worry. It's fine.
Oh, by the way, I have one of my friends coming over here in like a couple minutes to buy something off me.
Uncle Mike's gonna light it. Watch out.
Ready?